Hello everyone. I'm back with Professor Sid. Professor, many learners have a dream to speak English fluently, just like native speakers. But they always ask, is it possible in just 3 months?
Hi Emma. Hi friends. Yes, it's possible. But it needs focus, daily practice, and the right method. If you are consistent, you can become very fluent in 3 months.
Really? That sounds amazing. Please tell us the secret plan.
First, train your ears. Listen to English every single day. Watch movies, podcasts, or YouTube channels in English. Don't just hear, focus. Write down new words. Repeat after the speaker.
So listening is step 1?
Yes, if you listen daily for 1 hour, your brain will start catching rhythm, tone, and vocabulary like a native speaker. Professor Sid. Second, speaking. Many learners only study, but they never use English. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Record your voice. Join online speaking groups.
But what if I have no one to practice with?
Then be your own partner. Ask yourself a question and answer it. Example: what did I eat today? I ate bread and tea. What do I like? I like music. Daily 30 minutes will boost your fluency fast. Emma, here's a big secret. Don't translate. Train your brain to think directly in English. Start with small thoughts. I am hungry. Then longer. I should call my friend.
So no translation from my mother tongue?
Exactly. Direct thinking makes you fast like a native speaker. Don't memorize only single words. Learn full phrases. For example, instead of hungry, learn I'm starving. Instead of good, learn that's awesome.
So I sound natural, not robotic.
Correct. Native speakers use phrases, not only grammar rules. Play a short clip in English. Repeat exactly like the speaker, same speed, same tone. Do this daily for 10 minutes.
Like acting?
Yes. You copy their style, and slowly, you'll sound like them. Take an English book or article. Read it out loud. This improves your pronunciation, clarity, and flow.
Oh, so my tongue gets practice.
Exactly. It's like exercise for your mouth. Remember, 3 months is short. So you must be consistent. Don't skip practice. And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Because mistakes mean learning, right?
Absolutely. Confidence is the key.
Let me repeat, Professor, to be fluent in 3 months I need to listen daily for 1 hour, speak every day for 30 minutes, think in English, learn phrases, copy native speakers, read out loud, stay consistent and fearless.
Perfect summary, Emma. Follow these steps, and in 3 months, you'll speak English with fluency and confidence.
Thank you, Professor. Friends, are you ready to accept this 3-month challenge? Start today, and you'll be proud of your progress.